So I have a pitch pipe. This pitch pipe I've had for a long time, but you can still get them at the music stores and online. This is set up for guitar. It actually has the string names on it, E, A, D, G, B, E. So it's E, A, D, G, B, E. So I tuned this thing out of tuned upper so we can demonstrate. And I always like to start with the high string. So you don't blow super hard. Just give it enough to get a tone out of it. And there's your E. E. Next is B. Next is G. It's like blowing up birthday balloons. This one's a little wobbly. And then it's a lot closer. That A was just a little out. So now the pitch pipe helps you get really close, and then you can do the relative tuning to get you